Well, once again, I am relying on Ken's expertise in the field of the botanicals because I'm standing in front of our top selling spray. I mean, this is it. This is ranked in the top 10 of our products for Melrose. It's a silver dollar spray.
Yeah, it's an awesome spray. It's so realistic looking, and it even has the little seed down inside. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what really sets it off for me because it makes it that much more real looking.
It's very detailed. It's very detailed, like you just found this in nature. And well, I have to say, because it kind of blends with a lot of different of our designs that we have here at Melrose, just being this neutral color.
Neutral, and we're keeping it very simple in this design because we've added it into the vase and collared it in there, but we've also added another accent piece, some of the new grasses that are trending, along with the new eucalyptus spray also.
Gives it a little bit different look, but we didn't just bring this in the spray. Now the spray is the one product that we are selling hot. If I were going to tell you that you needed to add one spray to your order, this is it because of where it's ranking. But this comes in a spray, but it also comes in 2 different wreaths and a garland.
Yes, 2 different wreath sizes, which are very popular. So great for most markets and most customers.
I want to take another look because this was not in Atlanta, but I'd like to take a look at another one of the designs that we have with the silver dollar spray and with this silver dollar look that we created just for Las Vegas that is just going to wow customers.
Let's go.
And here we are, we're at the front doors for the Melrose showroom here in Las Vegas. And this is not a look that we've seen anyplace else. You guys just put this together between Atlanta and Las Vegas.
Yeah. This is a stunning piece. We started with just an urn, but we took our large the silver dollar wreath, placed it on top of it, and collared the container, and then put one of our top selling lantern into it, added a little glass cylinder inside with one of our really good selling Fia Flames. This is the larger one. The Fia Flame comes in 3 different sizes and 2 different colors. You can get the white light or the yellow light.
Now, one of the things that I love here is you have the Caladium, you have the, say it for me again one more time.
Banksia.
Banksia. And then you also have the cream hydrangea. And
that,
so that was doing very, very well out of dwelling, but then I never would have envisioned using these other pieces together to create this.
It really, the color of the silver dollar is where this thought started from. And then the hydrangeas are just a natural complement to that. And you base it in there and it gives you that nice stability and a sound base. And then the pop of the orange of the Banksia and that orangey pink even coming through on the Caladium.
Oh, that's so
just
unique.
Brings it together.
I love that look. And then we have to talk a little bit about what we did here with these front moving doors here for Melrose, because usually the doors are closed, but when we start to open the show, we open this up, and this is not a wreath. This was made with a garland.
The mechanics here was one garland. It's cut in half, and then
Thrifty.
Pardon?
You're being thrifty.
Yeah, well, it works, and I like cutting garlands in half or thirds or whatever because you can do different things with them. In this case, we cut it in half, created an arch with each half, and added our other blossoms of the Banksia, the hydrangea, the Caladium. And another stem that is a hot seller for us right now is the butterfly stem.
Yes, and you can really see it here. You don't see it as well in the urns, but here we see all the butterflies. And that just kind of brings all the colors together and just adds that little bit of that trending blue.
Exactly. And the reason why we started with the garland and cut it in half was so the doors will open and it separates.
That is beautiful. Okay, one more thing before we close here, Ken. I just want to talk real quick about this lantern right here because you touched on this is our #1 selling lantern, but this is the large of the 3 and the 3 are different sizes. So you actually have 2 sets.
Exactly.
And you split them off.
Right.
And so you took the 2 smaller ones, they're someplace else in the showroom, you decorated them as a pair, but you took the larger ones and you made them the focal point here by the doors.
Major statement. And this lantern, we're introducing it in the color white this year also.
Yes, we have that over in our waterfront collection.
Yes, we do.
Well, thank you very much for joining us and talking about those silver dollars. We appreciate your input every time you're with us, Ken.
Thank you, Leanne.